Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is, in the given figure, the radii of two concentric circles are 12 cm and 7 cm. AB is the diameter of the bigger circle and BD is a tangent to the smaller circle, touching it at D. Find the length of AD. Here, suppose OB is the radius of bigger circle, which is given by 12 cm, and OD is the radius of a smaller circle, which is given by 7 cm. Now, in triangle OBD, as this makes, that radius makes right angle triangle at point D, so it is right angle triangle. Triangle ODB is a right angle triangle, so in triangle OBD, by Pythagoras theorem, OB square equals to BD square plus OD square. So from this we can find BD square by OB square minus OD square. So it is 12 square minus OD square means 7 square. So it is 144 minus 49, which is 95. Now, taking square root on both the sides, so BD will be square root of 95. Now, in triangle ABE, here triangle ABE, it is right angle triangle at E. So by Pythagoras theorem, AE square equals to AB square minus BE square, as AB square is 2 times, here AB is 2 times OB, so it is 24, and BE is 2 times BD, and we have find BD as root 95, so it is 2 times root 95. AB is 2 times OB, so it is 24, and BE is 2 times BD, so it is 2 root 95 its square. 2 OB and BE is 2 times BD, so it is 576 minus 380, which is 196. So taking square root, we get AE equals to 14. Now we can find AD. Consider triangle ADE By Pythagoras theorem again, AD square equals to DE square plus AE square. So it is root 95 square. We calculated this plus AE means 14 square. So it is 95 plus 196. So by calculating this, we get 95 plus 196 is 291. Hence, AD equals to, by taking square root on both the sides, we get AD equals to root 291.